Hi guys, this is Rakul Preet Singh and you're watching me on Grazia. Well, I'm a true believer that your emotional state really reflects on your skin. So, for me, the most important thing is to keep my balance and to keep my calm in the mad rush of life that we have. And I meditate for that. I try to at least meditate 4 to 5 times a day, for 4 to 5 times a week at least, if not every day, and just be happy. I think it's very important to be aware of the emotions that you're feeling. If you're feeling uneasy, then just work towards it and get it out of your system. Yeah, I think these are small practices, and of course, the lifestyle habits that make me happy. I've been doing daily exercises ever since I was a kid. So there's never been a no exercise day for me. I was in sports as a kid, ever since I was a toddler. I think my parents put me in different kinds of sports. And then it turned into gymming when I started modeling, and that continued. So I am a very outdoor person. I am someone who requires, it's like a staple for my everyday breathing that I need some sort of a physical activity. And if I don't do that, if my endorphins are not released, I don't feel happy. So yes, for me, as long as I can remember, exercise does help in maintaining my good mood. In fact, I'm grumpy if I've not worked out for 2 days in a row. I'm just a very moody person then. So I think for me, the serotonin, the adrenaline, the endorphins, everything happens through any form of physical activity. Well, I don't get bored in the gym. I am a motivation in myself, I feel. But yes, I do keep changing my workouts. I feel like the body shouldn't get used to something. So I do strength training, I do HIIT formats, I do yoga, I do Pilates. And I keep shocking the system. It's not like I do those set of same 5 exercises that are for the leg muscles, so that your body also knows that abhi to it's going to be these 4 sets and these 4 exercises. So I keep changing the workouts. I keep playing with the intensity and the weights. I think the Indian diet is really, really rich in gut friendly food. If you talk about millets, or if you talk about white rice, or the vegetables, and the use of haldi and garlic, and all these things in our tadka. Of course, when I say Indian, I don't mean the bahar ka khana Indian, not like butter chicken, but ghar ka dal sabzi, even if you're having chicken or roti. And that's actually a very well balanced, it's got all the herbs in it. I feel like your gut, there's a reason why they say that it's a gut instinct, because your gut is connected to your mind, and 80% or maybe 90% of your immunity comes from the gut. 90% of your positivity also comes from the gut. So if your gut is not happy, you will see that that you're not happy. So yes, just non-inflammatory, anti-inflammatory foods, which means I do not eat junk food. I do not eat anything that's packaged. I try to avoid, and largely eat clean food, yeah, and which means eat everything. Like guys, eat your carbs, eat healthy carbs, but no sugar, no dairy, and yeah, no junk. So my morning routine is I have 2 glasses of warm water to begin with, and then I have my ghee coffee. So I add about teaspoon of ghee in black coffee, and that's like my pre-workout if I'm not hungry. And if I'm hungry, then I have some nuts with it. But I definitely start with the fat first, and I've been following this for 5-6 years now, and it's been amazing. It helps you maintain your insulin levels. You do not crave food around that 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock craving that you have in the evenings. So that doesn't happen, because your day starts with stabilizing your blood sugar levels. Oh yes, my all-time favorite is haldi basin. So you take a little bit of basin and haldi, and if your skin is feeling dry, then you add malai or yogurt. If your skin is feeling oily, then you just add some rose water in it, and I think that's a great mask. So I swear by this one. Then I use a lot of banana mask, banana, honey, lemon. Then there's tomato, just the juice of tomato and just the juice of potato, which is very, very good for clearing out your skin and even complexion and detanning. Yeah, so these are the four favorites. It's terrible. My daily makeup routine is so bad. I am not a makeup person when I'm off duty. When I'm not working, you will see me in almost nothing. I moisturize my skin well, and then I use this tinted moisturizer as my base. So it's not complete coverage, but it's just like an even tone on your face. And then just some mascara, nice lipstick, and some blush. My lip balm. I die without my lip balm.